This is an Ellis Mowers and More product review. Interested in buying this product? The link is in the description below. Have a product inquiry or a home, garden, or automotive product or tool to review? Email me, ellis@ellismowers.com, or reach out on Instagram and Facebook at Ellis Mowers and More. And as always, like and subscribe for more product reviews and small engine content. On today's product review, we're going to look at this product from Ancel. This is their AD410 automotive scan tool, OBDII scan tool. Really nice overall. These have become very handy to have. It saves you a lot of time by, like, if your check engine light comes on, by not having to go to the parts store and get it scanned. You can just have this at the ready. You can get an idea of what's going on with your vehicle before you take it into the shop or before you go about repairing it yourself, however you decide to do. This comes with the user manual, comes with the scan tool itself, and then a USB cable so that you can use it outside of the vehicle and power it up if you need to that way. And so generally all we got to do here, I'm just going to show you some of the functions of it. This is a basic scan tool here, and it'll do a code reader and a few other functions, and I'll show you all of those next. Alright, so we got it plugged into the vehicle here. When we turn it on, it should be able to give us some readings here. So again, we got OBDII, IM, ignition, or emission stuff. You got to set up, look up, review. There's the tool info. So very simple, but works just fine. So it's getting into the system, identifying what type of system it is, and it shows that basically your general everything right here. It shows that there are no codes in the ECU. The readiness supported is 8, and all 8 of them are complete for the monitors, and 3 of them are not supported. We go down, we got 36 data streams supported, spark ignition, CAN protocol type. So that's generally what you got there. If I press exit, it shows everything that you can do here. Read codes, erase codes, IM readiness. This drive cycle since the DTCs were cleared, so that's nice. Data stream, let's see what we can see here. Select items. It says there were 36 that were that we could select to see. So fuel system 1, load value, coolant temp, we'll look at that. Short-term fuel, long-term fuel, intake manifold, RPM, timing advance, and that's probably good enough. Let's see. So let's see. Coolant temp, RPM, timing advance. So that's good. But I'll show you the rest of them down here. Got EGR stuff, ABD requirements, fuel level input, EGR error, distance traveled since the DTCs were cleared, and all that good stuff. Accelerator positions, so that's great. So yeah, alright, so you just hold down enter and it'll show everything, right? Kilometers since it was cleared. And I'll show you, let's see, I think this thing does live. There you go. So there's a little bit of live data for you that you can do. So you can monitor a lot of things with this. Not just regular scan tool stuff, but it's really nice. You can view all items if you want to, and we'll just look at all of them while we're here. So load value, coolant temp, manifold pressure, timing advance, 22 degrees of timing. How about that? Throttle position, oxygen sensor output voltage, time since engine starts, all this good stuff. 114 warm-ups since the DTCs have been cleared. And it just keeps going on and on and on. So that's super nice, especially out of this. You can do an O2 sensor test. Pass. And we got, you know, all types of that stuff right there. It was super nice. Freeze frame, onboard monitoring, EGR monitor, purge flow. Let's just look at purge flow monitor. And it shows you if it passes or fails, so which is great. So you can go through there, misfires, no misfires, so that's great. I mean, you can see a lot of stuff with these things, which is a very, very good for the, especially for where this is batting in terms of the range. So super, super nice tool, very handy to have to be able to not only do diagnostics, but also the main basic tests for a lot of things, or a lot of live data for things. So there it is, guys, just a quick little 5-minute rundown of what this scan tool can do, this AD410. These are super nice to have. They don't take up a lot of space. You can just throw them in your dash, your glove box, in your dash, and just whip it out if you need to. If you buy vehicles and want to see some basic stuff as well with them, and some live data and things along those lines, then that'll be very nice to have this with you for that. You know, without all the complications of a really complex scan tool, you can see a lot of data with this. And so, you know, if you just need it for basic diagnostics, and some live data like we saw here, as well as reading codes and monitors to like see if your car can pass inspection and stuff like that, this thing right here is perfect. It's fast, it works great. Thanks again for watching this product review. I do hope that y'all found this video helpful and informative, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.